Hi viewers, welcome to MKK, the Daily Pulse, one destination for updates around the world. In today's video, we dive into the drama of the second test match between India and New Zealand. The spotlight is on a critical moment involving Indian captain Rohit Sharma and veteran player Virat Kohli. It all started when Devon Conway was batting on 38. Ravindra Jadeja bowled a delivery that seemed to miss the leg stump by quite a margin. Virat Kohli advised Rohit against going for a DRS review, but Rohit, trusting his instincts, decided to proceed. Unfortunately, the ball tracking confirmed Kohli's suspicion and India lost a crucial review. Conway capitalised on this lifeline and went on to score a half-century. He shared vital partnerships with Will Young and Ravindra, helping New Zealand build a solid foundation. At one point, the visitors were in a commanding position at 201 for 5. However, India wasn't ready to give up just yet. Washington Sundar stepped up with a stellar performance, claiming his maiden 5-wicket haul. Sundar's impressive figures of 7 for 59 sparked a middle-order collapse, and New Zealand was eventually bowled out for 259. In India's reply, Rohit Sharma's woes continued as he fell early, leaving India at 16 for 1 at the end of day 1. The match is now delicately poised, with India needing a strong batting performance on day 2 to stay in contention. The outcome of this test match will hinge on how well India can respond to the pressure exerted by New Zealand's bowlers. Will Rohit's men bounce back, or will New Zealand capitalise on their early success with the Thay? Thank you for watching. See you next time with new updates. Do like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Hasta la vista, namaste.